In this lecture, we will do the numerical problem related to electromagnetic theory, or the numerical related to photoelectric effect. And the question is, a photon of wavelength 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter strike on a metal surface. The work function of the metal is 2.13 electron volt, and you have to find the energy of photon. Second, you have to find kinetic energy of the emission, and third, you have to find velocity of the photoelectron. See the question, what is given to you in this? In this question, first of all, wavelength is given to you. Wavelength is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. And second, work function. Work function means the threshold energy and the work that is done by the photon to decrease the binding energy of the electron, that is 2.13 electron volt. Here electron means the charge on the electron, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulombs. This is the value of the charge present on one electron. In this question, first of all, we have to find the energy of the photon. Energy of photon means we have to calculate the energy of the radiations that strike to the metal surface. Next, we have to find kinetic energy. Third, we have to find the velocity of the electron. How do we solve this question? From the photoelectric effect, we know that the total energy is used to do the two works. First one is the work function, that is also known as the threshold energy. Also, the energy that is greater than to the work function is used in the kinetic energy of the electron. So, the total energy of the photon is equal to work function plus kinetic energy. So, for calculation of the energy according to photoelectric effect, E is equal to h nu, where h is the Planck's constant and nu is the frequency. And in this question, frequency is not given to you. Here wavelength is given to you, so h c upon lambda, where c is the velocity of light, h is the Planck's constant, and lambda is the wavelength. So by putting all the values, 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to power 8 upon lambda is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7. When you solve these, you find that the value of the energy, or the energy of the photon, you can easily solve this value, the energy of the photon, and this energy is equal to 6.63 into 3 upon 4 into 10 raised to power minus 34 plus 8 plus 7. This value of the energy is in joule, but the work function is given in the electron volt, so we have to convert this energy into the electron volt. So we have to divide this energy into this, we have to divide this energy by the charge on the electron. When you solve this, this is 15 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. This is the energy of the photon that strike on the metal surface. When we divide this energy by the charge on the electron, we get this energy in unit of electron volt, as this is in the joule. So first of all, we have to convert this joule into electron volt because the work function is given in the electron volt. So we have to divide this energy by the charge on the electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. When you solve this, you find the value of the energy in terms of electron volt, that is 3.1 electron volt. This is the energy of the photon. So our first part is the energy of the photon. So the energy of the photon that strike on the metal surface is 3.1 into 3.1 electron volt. Second, we have to calculate the kinetic energy. The first that we had already calculated is energy 3.1 electron volt. Next, we have to calculate the kinetic energy. We know that total energy that we supplied from the outside is used into the two things. First one is the work function and second one is the kinetic energy. In this, we have to calculate the kinetic energy. So we take this work function into the left hand side. So it becomes E minus W naught is equal to kinetic energy. Energy we had already calculated, that is 3.1 electron volt, and it is given to you. The work function is 2.13. You can easily solve this. You can find the value of kinetic energy of the emission, and this comes out to be 0.97 electron volt. This is the kinetic energy of the photoelectron. Energy we had already calculated. Second thing, kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is 0.97 electron volt. Put here kinetic energy of the emission is equal to 0.97 electron volt. Third thing that we have to find is velocity of the electron, and we know that the formula of the kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the electron, v is the velocity of the electron, and kinetic energy we had already calculated, that is 0.97 electron volt. Here m is the mass of the electron, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Kinetic energy is equal to 0.97 electron volt. So first of all, we have to convert this electron volt into joule. For this, we have to multiply by the charge on the electron over E. This is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, and it comes out to be in joule. For velocity of the electron is equal to v square is equal to 2 into kinetic energy divided by m. So solve here or put here. V is equal to square root 2 kinetic energy upon mass of the electron. V is equal to 2 kinetic energy is equal to 0.97 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 upon mass of the electron, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 square root of this. When you solve this, you find the value of the velocity of the electron, and it is 5.83 into 10 raised to power 3 meter per second. This is all about the numerical related to the photoelectric effect. In this question, wavelength is given to you. Second thing, work function is given to you. Work function means the threshold energy. You solve in this way.